Hello everybody. I apologize for the wind, but I'm not in the usual place to take one. I've actually got this little gem on the back of this rollback here. It's a 67 International. It's got 3 of the 5 hubcaps. It's got good mountain body mounts, and it looks like it used to be from the Newton Implement Company and International Trucks and McCullough Chainsaws in Newton, North Carolina. It's got a Newton, North Carolina switch. I got it from a dealer here in Georgia. This is the worst of the rust. Right there, a sign would take care of that. It's not on the hump, it's not up in there. The other side looks pretty good. The doors look pretty good. Pedals, it's got 67,103 miles. Somebody stole the horn cap. It's got a couple of stars in the windshield. But it's just a pretty good old truck. The top of it's pretty straight. Got some cracks in that glass and a little star in that one. But you got the West Coast mirrors. Let's look up under it right here too. This is a bad floor part, but it isn't that bad. I think it'd make a great shop truck. I believe it used to have a service body on it. It's got the lock-in differential. Let's see how many's on it. 2, 4, 5. Looks like a 10-bolt. Rear axle. Heavy duty bumper. It's a 4-speed manual. This hubcap's missing, but you can see the 5 lugs there. They got the gas tank out of it. It does have a dent right here. Top's pretty nice. Doors are good. This side was really pretty nice right here. And it's got some stuff. It's got the tail lights, the extra hood hinge, your headlight buckets, a little bit of rust right there. But the seat pedestal, all that's pretty good. The seat's pretty good. I'm just amazed. And you will be too. Come on down here to Georgia and get this fine truck. It's 1100. It's got a place on the inside of this hood, but the hood's really good. One little spot right there. Wow, it'd be a great old RatRod or something to put a LS in. The rail, grip rail is good. The bottom of the doors. Just really surprised. This surprise me too right here. Look at this. IHC, that's the International mirror. I think it was just up there at that Newton. Looks like they might have painted it one time. They put a zip tie on it to keep the grill in. The guy I got it from, but pretty nice grill. Hood's pretty straight. See if I can open it. It doesn't have the hood hinges on it because the well, let me let this down for a second right here. Because one of them's off. There's that hood hinge, and there's that rust on the inside of the hood right there, but that's it. It's not beat up or anything. This side's good. The hood hinge is in the floor. You saw it in there. It's got the big 6. I don't know if it's stuck. I've only had it here 30 minutes. I thought I'd just go ahead and put it on the internet. Maybe somebody's really looking for it. He said somebody stole the radiator out of it. That looks about right. But it's a roller. It's still got the steering linkage and all that hooked up on it. Man, I was impressed with it. You could put a short bed Chevrolet truck on it. It's got a couple stars in the windshield and then one scratch I see from the wiper. That round glass, a lot of times they'd get a, here's your outside one, but it's solid. It wouldn't take much to fix that. A little scratch in the side. Looks like the original windows. The original mirrors with a nice nuts on it. All the drip railing's good. Let's look over the cab. The headliner is gone. I couldn't get the glove box open a little bit ago, but it looks like it's all there. Look at that. See that door shut? I must be dreaming. Anyway, come on down here to Georgia and get this. This will make you a good little shop truck, HotRod. Got some pretty good springs. My guess is it probably had a service body on it. And it probably rubbed right there. And they'd used it right around the dealership because the mileage looks right to me, 67,000. From Newton, North Carolina, Newton Implement, and it was a international dealer. Wow, 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 wow. All this looks great. Must be for your headlights or blinker lights or something. Okay, got any questions, give me a call, Tom, 706-677-1402, and I'll probably put my cell number. Look at these emergency brakes. Emergency brakes still hooked up. Now these brake lines will have to be replaced, but the emergency brakes are hooked up. Muffler, there's where the fuel tank goes. There's a little boo-boo right here. They probably did this taking that bed back off. Anyway, got any questions, give me a call. Tom, 706-677-1402. And my cell number, if you want to text or send pictures or whatever back and forth, is the one that's on the ad. 706-658-5052. Thanks a lot for watching. You get this little gem, you'll be happy, happy. And this is all the parts I have for it. What you see in the floorboard, it does have a key. I noticed it had a key in it, but I'd say you look a long time for those West Coast International mirrors for a pickup. Thanks for looking. Bye.